So let me be clear, this video has nothing to do with dimmer switches. I'm going to post a completely different video on how to install dimmer switches. But even with dimmer switches, you still have that bright white light. And this video is going to address tinting those lights so you get a warmer feel inside your camper. Let's go ahead and get this video started. So on the bottom of the right-hand side of the screen, you're going to see the type of lens that I have. If you have this type of lens, all you're going to need to do is grab the edge of the lens and you could pull it down. It's kind of spring-loaded in the ceiling, so you can pull it down to access it. Put one finger on each side of the backing and just unscrew the lens. It's pretty simple counterclockwise, and then you just remove the lens. So here's what the lens looks like on my RV. And I do have a Grand Design Imagine 2150 RB. I think it's pretty similar on all the Imagines, and probably quite a few other manufacturers as well use this type of lighting these days. And this should answer a lot of your questions. This is the magic ingredient right here. It's called lens gel or lens filters. I've seen all kinds of names for this stuff, but this is what you use to tint your lights. From my understanding, this stuff is made specifically for photography, to change the atmosphere of a photo, to change lighting, to change a flash, those kinds of things. So you don't have to worry about putting it next to a light. It's not going to get hot and burn up. So all you have to do here is fill that area up inside your lens where the light is coming through. So what I did is I cut a circle out for the very bottom piece, and I just put that in there. And then because it's down a little bit, I had to cut a piece that will go around the inside on the edge, so the light would be tinted coming through there as well. And it's really that simple, guys. You can just put your lens back up and you're gonna notice a big difference. There's a lot of different colors and tints or shades, whatever you wanna call it, of this film. It can get a little confusing. I'm gonna put links to a bunch of different options down in the video description and the comments below, so you guys can kind of navigate through and see what colors or shades that you might be interested in before purchasing. And here is a good example of what you're gonna see when you're all finished. The light on the left is obviously not tinted, the one on the right is, and you could definitely notice a difference. The other thing I want to mention too is I have other lights in my RV that are not just in the ceiling. For example, the ones that are over my bed, I guess they're reading lights. So what I did with these is I actually doubled up the tint. I put 2 layers in instead of 1 to make it a little bit darker. So you can get a little creative with this stuff as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. I always do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of our videos, and we will see you next time.